The eco camp is pretty cool. Give you a quick tour. So the eco camp, here's your toilets. Anybody on the loop?
No.
So, there we go. A compost and loot. Great facilities. This will be an exciting video. It's been really well planned and thought through, the whole facility. Washing area, a ringer, hang up your stuff to dry, and then the wharenui, with the wharekai, and then the board. James was talking to us, explaining the way down.
Rings a bell and down, splits a family in two, puts people on street. Ba-ba-ba-bee, ba-ba-bee, Idea, Idea. Okay, there are no meaning as well as the sound.
The showers. Shower with a tree, hot and cold water, and James has looked after us so well. Good instructions on how to do tomorrow, and that's looking back across the estuary to Ngunguru. It's places like this that make TA so special. Straight up, good start to the day. How could you not like this? Are you ready to cross the river? We have to line up these two red pegs with that red thing. Let's walk straight across there. We were advised by James 1:30 would be a good time, but we reckon we're going to try and do it at about, well, it's 11:44. We're going to do it soon. This is it. Is it too deep for us? We've waited an extra 15 minutes, which is possibly insignificant. And now we hope to get across. It gets deep very soon. Out a bit now. That's good. James was on the money. He said there was mud after you get through, so don't put your shoes on until you get around here. Whoop. You wouldn't want to slip in this, would you? We've got our dry shoes on, that's pretty cool. Got through.
Dry and not muddy.
Dry and not muddy. We cleaned them off, and now we've got about 7 kilometres before the next. I think it's 7 kilometres or 11 kilometres or something. view from our lunch spot. Yes, we line up those poles. So far, dry feet. And we walk across there to the yellow markers are over there. We walk through some mangroves and there's some spoonbills there, I think. We hope we're going to get across here, no worries. This is easy peasy. What's that in the water? A little stingray. Little flounder just in front of us, see there? Little wee stingray just in front of us. Just a little one. Don't rush this next little bit, it's quite muddy. Whoop, you get that sound effect? Spot the TA trail. There's muddy footprints in the grass. But our feet are clean. So the farmer let us walk through his property here. Come through under his private driveway. Just doesn't stop being pretty. Hiya. Kia ora, how are you? All right to do this? Thank you. The TA chooses to go over the highest knob. Pretty. Near the top. Hey, we can see where we're walking to. That's always a good feeling. And that we are walking down the hill. Pretty. Yeah, I have. Kia ora.
Good afternoon. It is on day
18. And it's near the end of day 18. It's about, what, 5 o'clock?
It's nearly 5 o'clock.
We've got about 2 hours to go, maybe. We're not sure.
It's been a big day, including 2 estuary crossings, so we had to wait before we could get going. That's why we've still got 2 hours to go at 5 o'clock.
Yeah, we think today's about a 27, unless we go to the next camp, might be a 29 kilometre day. But we couldn't start. Well, James from the Nikau Eco Lodge, he said, you know, you don't really want to be crossing the estuary until 1:30, so leave his place at 12. Well, we all had cabin fever and took off at 10:30, and you and I crossed the estuary an hour and a half before James said, and yeah, so we got a wet bottom.
Yeah, the 2 estuary crossings had a bit of drama just because of we chose to take our shoes off and
cleaning the mud off.
Cleaning the mud at the end.
Took a while.
The estuary itself was fine. Just leaving the estuary was a real cesspit of mud. And trying to get rid of that to put your shoes back on was hard work.
After we left the estuary, We went straight up some hill. That was
into a kauri forest, so
yeah,
we've
it's
got
beautiful.
some
Looking
kauri
around.
around us right now. But that was an uphill grunt.
That was just straight up again. Oh, it's good for us. All the ice cream I ate yesterday.
yeah, it's gone now.
We're going to be on Ocean Beach soon, walking
Yeah.
along there.
Which looks beautiful from up the hill.
Yeah,
We haven't quite got down there yet.
might take us a couple of hours to walk along that beach. We don't really know. Beach. Ocean Beach. So we can see everybody way down in the distance. Even though the camp's only down the other end of the beach, we had to walk across this creek, and because of the long day and looking after our feet, looking after Shank's pony is more important than just pushing on to get to the camp. We want to dry our feet, get the sand off, just treat a couple of spots before they become problems. So yeah, it might take us an extra half hour, but that might save us a bit of grief in a few days. So we're seeing some dotterels. We're walking along the beach. Somewhere in the next kilometre should be a campsite. Half past 9, had a hot shower and had dinner. Good day, brilliant day, every day. It's another good day on the TA. Cheers.